Okay, so now I will demonstrate adding a photo that I downloaded from Google from Creative Commons to the media library and assigning attribution with image source control. You'll see that I have my file that I downloaded. I have it up in a tab here. And so I've already downloaded the file. I will go ahead and add that to my media library by clicking Add New. And I should be able to just drag it here from my Finder and drop it right onto this area. And then I will click Edit. And here I have my typewriter. So I'll go ahead and give this a natural language title first. That's this first area here. Ernest Hemingway's typewriter. Okay. And then I'm going to mark it decorative because I won't probably be needing to add alt text for this one. My image source. Okay, so this is where we go over to our tab and on Wikimedia Commons, and we say use this file. We'll click that, and this is the source. So I'll copy Cullen 328, and I will place this in the image source, and I'll say Cullen 328 via Wikimedia Commons, like that. And then on the URL, I'm going to go ahead and use the page URL. That way all the information that's on this page will show. And I'll put that right here. Okay. And then the last piece will be what the license is. So the license is by SA 3.0. So I'll go down here and I will find that license. And one moment, please. Okay, so you'll see the image source, which we have via Wikimedia Commons. Image source URL, I've pasted in the URL to the page. And then the last thing I'm going to do is choose the license. So it's BYSA 3.0. And we'll just use this one here, unported, it says. We'll click that. And then we will, it automatically updates the image. Okay, so now I will place the image on a page and I will show you what the listing looks like. So here I have my page, my demonstration page, and I'll click Add Media right here. And I should have my Ernest Hemingway typewriter. My title's in place. I've marked it as decorative. I have my image source here, my URL, and for some reason it didn't retain that license. So I'm going to go ahead and I remembered that it's BYSA 3.0. I'm going to align it to center. I'm going to link to none. I'll go ahead and use the large size and I'll insert that into the page. Oh, you know, there's one thing I forgot. I forgot to add the caption. So let me edit that. And you know, since I want it to be in the media file, or in the media library, that way every time I place it, it's got a caption. I'll go ahead and go back. Save draft here. I'll go back to the media library, and excuse me, and just go in there, and I'll go ahead and make the title and the caption the same. That way. They'll match when it lists it on the page. Okay, so let's see if that took. There we go. All right. Okay, good. Now we'll go back to our page and we'll place that file. Okay, so we will now add media. and place that. We have our title and our caption, and let's make sure everything else is as it should be. Okay, insert into page, and now we'll have our caption. And so when I preview this, I will see a listing at the bottom with image sources, Ernest Hemingway's typewriter, and then it gives you the license, it gives you the destination or the source URL where you obtain the file, and then it also gives you a link to the license. So that's how we do an image. We add an image using the image source control plugin.